Before we start the video, we would like to inform you about our upcoming Advanced Photography Certificate course by award-winning photographer Pratik Pradhan, who has won more than 30 national and international awards in photography, like the Asperego Photo Contest Italy, Century Asia Photographer of the Year 2020, Zoological Society of London Photo Contest 2016, and many more. 2 participants from the course will receive a paid internship position at the Nature's Eye. Special discounts are available for students as well as recent graduates. The first 20 participants will receive a 30% discount. For more information, visit thenatureseye.com/courses, link in the description. Life on Earth can exist without solid food or even oxygen. But one thing that it absolutely needs is water. We yet haven't found life without water. And although fresh water in its liquid form is just 0.3% of the total water found on Earth, it supports tremendous amount of life. And all that we see of this life that exists inside water is just from this one angle, from the top. But we weren't happy with this. So we, at the Nature's Eye, decided to do something different. We placed a waterproof camera inside water to explore this world that was right under our nose, but yet so hard to see. The underwater footage that we captured were mesmerizing. The sunlight penetrating the clear water set up the perfect scene to view the delightful and effortless movement of these fish. The movement of fish is extremely pleasing to watch. It seems almost coordinated. However, most of our footage was pretty boring. The water seemed endless and empty. And even the few fish that we were able to see kept their distance. Some of them ignored the camera altogether. And as time passed, some showed an interest in the camera. Slowly, some were able to build up some courage to get close to the camera, and very reluctantly tried to come close. Within no time, more and more of them got curious and started inspecting the camera. And soon, the whole shoal was here. Soon enough, they started getting too close. Too close even for the camera to focus. And soon they got bored. This curiosity is essential for the survival of these fish, as food is not always easily available. We filmed some local tourists feeding the fish, and this is what we got. The curious fish gave us some amazing footage. Life underwater moves much faster, and for small fish like these Danio, open waters can be a dangerous place, and hence finding food is just as important as not becoming food. And that's where the same curiosity that brought these fish to the camera bring them to food. And as soon as there is the slightest hint of food, this happens. This feeding frenzy is almost unreal. The waters that moments ago
seemed empty and endless are now teeming with fish. This clip that you are watching is the unedited speed of the fish. The speed at which they swim makes it seem almost like a sci-fi movie. What is more astonishing is the fact that these fish manage to find food and finish it within seconds. The food rarely touches the bottom, and even if it does, the fish find it and devour it in no time. The feeding frenzy lasts few seconds. These fish have an amazing ability to distinguish between what they can and cannot eat. Most inedible floating particles are easily ignored. But despite being extremely beautiful and mesmerizing, not all stories end well. These fish here are stuck in a death trap. They are stuck in a small puddle of water that was once flowing streams that have now dried up due to the hot summer months. The water in these puddles is slowly drying up, and due to the hot summer heat, as time passes, it keeps getting crowded. Most of them won't make it, but for the few who will make it through the summer, will live another year. That is, if they don't get eaten.
For those of you who are really interested in wildlife, head over to www.thenatureseye.com. There, you can join us on our trip to the jungle, get your work featured, write articles, share your video content for future documentaries with us, and a lot more. Also, make sure to check out our Instagram, Facebook. You can email us at info@thenatureseye.com for more details.